I used to have this overwhelming guilt for not contributing to our family's finances. When the kids were little, I was a stay-at-home mom. I loved that, but it didn't help pay the bills. Now the kids are grown up and they're gone, and during those years, I did network marketing. Many companies, calling friends and families, begging for house parties. You know the routine. If you've ever done network marketing, you're working your butt off for a percentage of something that you sell. The stress of it all. I hated making that list of 100 and cold calling people. It was terrible. I still think I have a little PTSD from those days. But now my husband is retired and he's having to work a second job in his retirement, partly because he wants to, but partly for a little extra spending money. And I want to help. I still have that guilt. I still have that overwhelming guilt. The network marketing did not work for me. I'd get a little bit of success, just enough to keep me going, and then nothing. Always loved the products, hated the business. I had some medical bills come in last year. When you're on retirement, when you're on a fixed income and a medical bill comes in, that's rough because your money, your monthly amount of money you got coming in doesn't change. And an unexpected medical bill, it can be devastating for some. And it hurt. So I went looking online for something to do. I was even contemplating getting back into network marketing. Oh gosh. And then I found a woman who was telling me that she used to do network marketing. She retired herself because of this business that she was doing online. She told me that I didn't have to be techie, which was great because I have enough tech skills to be dangerous, basically. It was a done-for-you plug-and-play system, which was great. I didn't have to have experience. Awesome. And I earn 100% profit. And I was like, what? Because in network marketing, when you sell a product, you only earn a tiny commission off that product. That's why you have to sell so much of it. So I was intrigued and I'm like, what are you talking about, lady? And she said, here, look at this blueprint. It will answer 99% of your questions. And if you still have questions, watch this video. And she said, if you still have questions after that, get in touch with me. So I did. And I jumped in with both feet. And this woman has changed my life. And I want to give you that blueprint for free so you can check it out. You need this information if you've ever struggled in network marketing and the thought of going back and doing more or continuing on the path that you're on with network marketing is a brutal thought. I want you to look at this blueprint, okay? It is my gift to you to say you don't have to go through that stress. You don't have to do that to yourself, and you can earn daily pay. All right. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.